Hello children, this is Seema Singh again with the same lesson, that is lesson number 4 in English 1, the giant panda. In my last video, I gave you a small introduction about giant panda. Let's revise it very quickly. Okay, I told you this giant panda belongs to the family of bears and it is a symbol of peace in China. They have got a very heavy body and a very they are very furry. They grow up to the height of 6 feet and they weigh 150 kg in weight. They eat bamboo. The female panda is called So, the male panda is called Boar, and the baby panda is called Cub. And nowadays this panda have become endangered. Endangered means they are reduced in number. They are very less because people are hunting, human beings are hunting them. Okay, the pandas look very cute, but at a time they are very dangerous also, and they climb the tree and they take nap there. Nap means a short sleep. Okay, and as they have got a very heavy body, they cannot run fast. Okay children, so I feel this is enough for the revision. Now I will read the lesson first and then I will explain you the chapter. Okay children, I am reading the chapter. Take your English 1 textbook, page number 40, and I'll start reading it. Okay, there are 8 different types of bears on the planet. Bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Giant pandas are found only in China. There are probably only about 1,000 giant pandas left in the world. Okay, what are giant pandas? Giant pandas are black and white Chinese bears. Female pandas are called sows, male pandas are called boars, and the baby pandas are called cub. The panda is a symbol of peace in China. What do pandas look like? Pandas are large and have big heads and heavy bodies. Their ears are round and their tails are short. The Chinese call the panda the giant cat bear because they have cat-like eyes. Pandas have sharp eyes and can see very well. Giant pandas are mainly white. However, they have black patches around their eyes, ears, shoulder, chest, legs, and feet. They live in snowy and rocky places. Their black and white coloring help them to hide from the enemies. Panda have very thick, oily, woolly fur that keep them warm in cold and wet mountains. How big are giant pandas? A fully grown male panda can be about 6 feet tall and weigh up to 115 kgs. Females are smaller. While many people think pandas are cuddly and sweet, they can be dangerous as any other bears. How do pandas move? Pandas are good climbers. Sometimes they take an afternoon nap high up in the tree. They use their short claws to hold on to the bark of the tree. Pandas cannot run fast. I have read section 1. Now let's start the explanation of section 1. I will read and I will explain you the chapter. There are 8 different types of bears on the planet. Okay, on our planet there are 8 different types of bears, and giant panda is one of the bear that are found on our planet Earth. 8 different types of bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. And the chapter is about giant panda. This giant panda is found only in China. Okay, and the number of the giant panda is reducing because human beings are killing them for their fur. Okay, and so probably the study shows that there are only about 1,000 giant panda left in the world. Okay, so let's see what are giant pandas. Okay, giant pandas are black and white Chinese bear. As I told you, this giant panda are found only in China. They are the bears of white and black color, and as it is mainly found in China, it is also known as Chinese bear. in human beings also the females are called your father, mother, brother, sister. So in this pandas also the female pandas are called soors and the male panda, that is father panda or papa panda or daddy panda, is called boars, and the baby panda is called cub. As we have the white dove as the symbol of peace in India, this giant panda is symbol of peace in China. It is respected very much in China. Okay, now let's see how the giant panda look. Pandas are large and have high heads and heavy bodies. The pandas are very huge, they are very fat, and their heads are also very big, and plus they are very fat. The weight of panda is about 115 kg. Sometimes the panda also weighs 150 kgs. Okay, their ears are round and their tails are short. Okay, and how we have our ears, it's like it is not round, but this giant pandas, they have round ears, and they have they also have tail, but the tail is very short. You must be having bears at home, soft toy, so they have short tails. Now this giant panda also have short tails, and this Chinese people call giant panda as giant cat bear, because the eyes of this giant panda is round like a cat. It is just like a cat, and even though their eyes is very small, the eyes is very sharp. They can see very well. बहुत अच्छी eyes होती है उनकी, वो बहुत अच्छी तरह देख पाते हैं सब कुछ चीज, बहुत sharp होती है उनकी eyes, right? Now giant pandas are mainly white. However, they have patches around their ears, eyes, shoulder, chest, legs and feet. Normally this giant panda, they are white in color, but they also have patches on their ears. Wherever they have their ears are black. Near their eyes there is a black patch. Near their chest, near their legs and near the feet they have a black patch. They normally live in snowy area. Snowy area means wherever there is snowfall. जहाँ बर्फ गिरती है ना, ज़्यादातर वो लोग वहीं रहते हैं. And they also live in rocky places. Rocky places means where big stones are there. They can hide themselves with the help of stones and with the help of snow. Because they have black patches now, stones are also grayish black or sometimes grey. So mostly they live in that area so that they can be protected. Their white and black coloring help them to hide from their enemies. Okay, as they have the black and white color fur, it is very helpful. This white and black color is very helpful for the giant bear to help to protect themselves from the enemies. And these pandas, they have a thick oily furry fur. Okay, this giant panda, they have a very fat, thick means बहुत मोटा. Oily means it is like how we put oil on our head, so how soft it becomes. So they have a very soft woolly hair, and even though they live in snowy regions means, as I told you, the region where there is snowfall, they have this fat, thick, woolly fur so that their body can be warm. They don't feel cold in the snowy region and in the wet mountains. So children, this is all for today. See you tomorrow with another video. Till then, goodbye.